we plan things together for the future also. Anyone naman gustong maging the one yung dinedate mo or yung kinakasama mo or yung partner. So I think na yes, natawa ako kasi yung moment na yun, parehas kaming nabigla din the next day nung nakita namin yung video. She is a bubbly person. She is outspoken. Parang lagi siyang ready to do a lot of things together. She is a bubbly person. She is outspoken. Parang lagi siyang ready to do a lot of things together. Adventurous also. Hindi kasi ako tumatanggap ng any TV or movies eh. Since 2018, that is what they explained kanina, na sinasabi nila na bakit daw wala akong project, bakit daw ako artista na walang natatanggap na trabaho or whatever. Since 2018, hindi na po ako tumatanggap ng any TV or movies na na-offer sa akin up to now. I'm not saying na kinakalimutan ko yung showbiz, but sinet aside ko lang po muna to focus on dun sa mga ginagawa ko now. Like, I'm a social media influencer, I'm a content creator, and I have a company na digital marketing also, which is dun ako nakafocus that I can't do everything sa ngayon po. But it's just there. Maybe in the future, if there's a good project, like a movie that I can, do, gagawin ko po yun. But sa ngayon, hindi ko lang siya maasikaso. Natawa ako kasi yung moment na yun, parehas kaming nabigla din the next day nung nakita namin yung video. And pinagtawanan lang namin na nangyari siya eh. And wala kami pinagsisisiyan. And ayun, masaya lang. Nag-meet kami long time ago. Hindi ko lang mga 2013 magkakilala na kami because of ABS. Nagkikita kami sa office ng Star Magic. And we have common friends and we've been greeting each other ng birthday because we have the same birthday. So, matagal na kami mag-iibigan. Di man yung parang magkasama palagi or pero nagkakabatihan kami, nagkakamustahan kami in Instagram, something like that. Actually, kanina tinanong sa akin yan, if I see it long-term or kung ano man yun nangyayari. You know what, now that we enjoy our time together and no pressure, no feeling na, alam mo yun, outside. Basta we enjoy our time together. We plan things together for the future also. And I think ako pag pumapasok naman doon, swing naman, and anyone naman gustong maging the one yung dinedate mo or yung kinakasama mo or yung partner. So I think na yes,